The use of chemicals to control pests and diseases has in the recent years been seen as a health risk issue, with many international markets putting strict compliance to quality standards, with consumers in these markets increasingly applying pressure on growers to reduce the chemical residues on export, which in some occasions have seen Kenyan farmers incur millions in losses as their produce fails to meet the standards of the export market. Now, a Danish company, Koppert Biologicals, has come up with biological solutions to help minimize on the use of chemicals. On this week's episode of The Next Frontier, Philip Keitani visited Koppert Biological headquarters in the Netherlands and brings us the following report.
In recent years, there has been increased awareness of impact of pesticide use on the environment and human health, resulting in efforts to reduce reliance on chemical control. Many countries have instituted more stringent regulation on pesticide manufacturing, registration and use, thereby increasing the cost and decreasing the availability of these chemicals. Pesticide resistance is also a common reality in many weeds, insects and diseases, hence the need for all alternatives to pesticide is clear.
Tangu nianza kupanda nyanya, wakati nianza kupanda hata nilikuwa nataka kuacha kwa sababu zilikuwa na challenges nyingi sana. Kwa sababu tukimwaga nyanya ukipanda kuna magonjwa inashika huko chini, inakataa kutoa mizizi vizuri, inakuwa na kitu kama nematodes nini, sasa mmea haukui.
Now, one Kenyan company with roots from the Netherlands has been conducting research on the use of biopesticides. The results indicate that green technology, such as biological control, could be more widely used to solve pressing needs in pest management.
Wakati tulimwaga mbegu ikamea, nika drench na hiyo dawa. Although si dawa, ni dawa ya biological. Sijui inatengenezwa na nini. Hata sitaki kujua, lakini vile niliona ilinisaidia kwa sababu nyanya ilitokea vizuri na nikapeleka kwa shamba. Sasa akanisaidia kupeleka kwa shamba after transplanting, kitu kama wiki moja ni drench tena. Na wakati nilifanya hivyo nikaona kazi imeanza kukuja vizuri. Nikaona mimea yangu haikufi, inaendelea vizuri.
Pest can cause serious damage to crops and prevent growers from realizing higher yields and profits. Koppert Kenya now offers a wide range of innovation, biocontrol solutions to protect crops in all stages of development and manage destructive pests and diseases. Over the years, farmers have used excessive chemicals in their farms that have had an adverse effect not only to the environment, but to the human population. But now, organization like Koppert Biological System is trying to come up with a biological way where farmers can reduce the same problems by use of insects. Their products enable growers to produce top-quality produce with minimal reliance on chemical pesticides and to meet the stringent international market demands for residue-free agricultural products.
3 or 4 years ago, there was a great need by tomato farmers to look for a solution for some fairly challenging pests and diseases, particularly Tuta absoluta, which is an invasive pest, and it had caught everyone, including farmers, by surprise. And we knew out there must be some solutions that we can research on, partner with other people, find a way to offer this to farmers so that they can be able to save their crop and save their incomes and be able to continue earning from the tomato crop.
Kenya flowers to the European Union. However, pests can reduce growers' profits quickly and considerably. Koppert Kenya applies extensive research and expertise to provide flower growers in Kenya with the best customized crop protection programs that fit their needs.
Initially, our primary focus market was the production of roses, because roses was a high-value crop that's produced in Kenya, exported to Europe, with a lot of challenges when it comes to the pest and disease control. So for us, it was an initial market where we started with the introduction of the beneficial insects to control the different pests, especially spider mite. Spider mite is one of the major or the key pests in roses that we can But we proved already that we can control and manage in a good way by using the beneficial insects.
In international markets, strict compliance in quality standards serves as a competitive advantage. Consumers in this market are increasingly applying pressure on growers to reduce chemical residue on export produce, which in some occasions have seen Kenyan farmers incur millions of losses as their produce fail to meet the standards of the export markets.
Using, let's say, biological solutions that improve also your marketability. That means you can reach a higher segment in the market that will offer you compared with the chemical ones for certain products.
Koppert has also developed seed dressing products for large, arable crop cultivation in rows such as wheat, barley, maize, soya, rice, and grains. The products contain microorganisms and other stimulating ingredients that are beneficial for the crop. The goal is to improve the seed for better resistance against pathogens found in the soil and on the seed. The seed dressing leads to a stronger, healthier, and much more productive crop, more resistant to drought and diseases.